Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have a completely new setup around me and a new lens and slightly new camera, so I am really getting used to this like whole new setup that I've got. So I'm back with a makeup tutorial. As you can see, I don't have makeup on right now, but I am back with another makeup tutorial, and I think today I'm just going to show you guys a bunch of products that I have been loving recently, since it's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial. So I don't know if you guys can tell by my eyes, but I'm wearing contacts. They're from TTDI, and I'll have it somewhere on the screen. But I am almost positive that these are like the HD green ones, and I'll have them linked down below. I have a couple other colors, but I really like this color because it goes really well with brown eyes, and it doesn't just completely cover my brown eyes. Kind of just adds a little green and yellow to it. I think I have a discount code with them. So I'm guessing my discount is just 10% off. So if you use my discount code Sarah Butler, you will get 10% off your purchase. So lately I've been priming my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. If you guys go way back with me, I had used this for like since I first started makeup till like last year. But I really do still love to prime my eyes with this concealer. So I'm just going to set all of that with some loose powder. I've been using this MAKIAGE bronzer for my bronzer, and also just to kind of like sweep in my crease. This bronzer is just so huge, like I feel like I'm never gonna run out of it. So I guess I could turn this into like a little chit chat, like get ready with me kind of vibe. But I have really been struggling with like getting videos up and stuff, and I feel like part of that is because there's not a ton of room in my apartment, so I do have to film at home. I also just don't really like YouTube right now. I'm almost like scared to be on YouTube because of just how negative it can be. This is really hard to explain for me, I don't know why, but I kind of feel like YouTube was just so different back then, and it really was just all about whatever you wanted to post, and you didn't necessarily feel so judged. I honestly am in a good place right now, but I was also just like kind of in a weird headspace about posting on YouTube because it just kind of scared me in a way. I feel like that's all I really want to do to my eyes. I don't really feel like going crazy because I'm honestly kind of tired right now from figuring out this whole setup. I've been like wanting to try out lashes that were kind of different like this. Very like thick in some areas and then like thinner in other areas. And I literally just got it at Target, so it's nothing too crazy. While we're here just talking and I'm waiting for this glue to dry, I wanted to like mention the show that I watched on Netflix, or actually two shows that I'm watching on Netflix. One of them already finished, and it's called Glow Up. It's either Glow Up or Glowing Up, but it's about makeup artistry. You start with, you know, all these people and all these makeup artists, and they go through all these challenges. Every week somebody gets sent home, and then it comes down to one person that gets like a contract deal and like an entire career around makeup. So it was really cool to watch because they went through so many different challenges, and you just got to see like all these people's skills. So yeah, if you're looking for a show to watch on Netflix, it is pretty good. Ooh, these are really pretty. That's so cute. Okay. These might be like my new favorite lashes. Oh wow. They were not difficult getting on either, which I am always nervous about trying new lashes and how they actually apply, but these were fine. They're really nice. So now that my lashes are on, I'm going to move on to my face. So I've really been loving this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and I've just been using it as like my moisturizer base. I just think Charlotte Tilbury's products are so nice if you just want any sort of glow on anywhere of your face. It's literally just that nice glow, natural glow. I'm gonna show you these two foundations that I've really been loving lately. This one's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and then this is the Forever Skin Glow by Dior. And I mixed them two together because this one is a little bit, just a teeny bit too light, and then this one is just a little darker, but I like how it's a little more sheer. It's not like super thick. So I kind of mixed them two together, but this foundation has like the most gorgeous coverage. It's insane. And this stuff, like the littlest bit goes such a long way. So I literally just mix the two together a little bit. To blend my foundation out, I've also been loving the foundation blending brush by MAKIAGE. This thing is so quick to blend my foundation, and it's also just like the most airbrushed looking finish. And then I sometimes go back over with like a sponge. It blends in so beautifully. Like, I am really obsessed with this stuff. So now onto concealer. I have a ton of shades of concealer, and these are from MAKIAGE. This looks like their concealer, but it's the Anastasia brow gel. Loving their concealer because it's so lightweight. I don't really like concealers that are super thick. That's not supposed to go under your eyes. Any concealer that you pick out, you do want it to be a little bit thinner, because that is going to go really smooth under your eye, and it's gonna set a lot better instead of looking super cakey. So these concealers are super lightweight. So I'm actually gonna mix two shades, and this first shade is 7 and the other shade is 6, so 6 and 7. So this one has just more of like a neutral yellowy undertone. And then this one has kind of like a pink undertone, and I'm gonna mix those two because it's gonna give me a really nice neutral shade. But yeah, this concealer is super buildable as well. I forgot to tell you guys, the other show that I started watching, one of my friends got me into it. It's also a show on Netflix, and it's called Dirty John. Basically about this con man that goes for these women who have money, and literally like makes them fall in love with him, convinces them. I'm not finished with that show yet, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen in the end, but I have definitely gotten hooked to it. At first I was like, okay, this guy's just weird and a little crazy at times, but then it gets really into his past, and it's honestly a really good show. Now I'm going to take this Hourglass translucent powder. It's the Veil powder. I've been using this for a while now. I'm pretty sure I used it on my channel before, but I really love this powder. I'm gonna wipe all of this away. Really been loving this big angled brush. It's by Sigma. It's the soft angled contour F23 brush, and I'm just gonna use that to bronze my face. I don't think I told you guys, but I'm also using the Waka bronzer by MAKIAGE. I'm just gonna like bronze my nose a little bit just because it needs some warmth. And really blend that out. Of course, I have to use the Milani blush in Luminoso. This is just like one of my all-time favorite blushes ever, and I don't know if it's ever gonna change really. For brows, I know I've done this on my channel before and used these products before, but Anastasia Clear Brow Gel as usual, and the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Black Brown. Nothing too crazy with my eyebrows. It's been the same routine for forever. I'm going to take a little bit more of this concealer and really clean up my eyebrow. I'm going to apply some more of that bronzer under my eyes. Then I'm going to apply this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Double Light. More of like a metallic brown color. I don't really know if I really love black eyeliner anymore. It either has to be a brown or a dark brown. I've been using this palette, as you can see, a ton. It's from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Starry Eyes to Hypnotize palette. And oddly, I have been using this color right here to highlight my cheekbones. I'm going to highlight my brow bone as well with that same color. I don't know exactly what color that is called, but it's gorgeous. Wait, I need to put bottom mascara on. I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Like obsessed, but I feel like it runs out so quick. For my lips today, it's basically going to be 2 lip liners. This is the, well, okay. I had this for a while. I kept on thinking this was a lip liner that my sister had. It's actually an eye pencil. It's an eyeliner. I'm so obsessed with this color that I've been using it as a lip liner. I also mix it with the Carli Bybel MAKIAGE lip liner in the shade Bybel. For the last step, I have been using the MAKIAGE Lip Service High Shine Lip Glaze, and this is in the shade Hard Yes. All I'm gonna do is just put this right in the center. Then on the top, I'm gonna kind of go over my Cupid's bow. Oh, and I forgot to highlight my inner corner as well with that shade that we use for highlight. If you guys have any video ideas, let me know in the comment section below. I would seriously appreciate all the help I can get. I've just been in such a rut lately, and I feel like I just need to feel a little inspired. So if you guys have any video ideas or any videos that you want to see from me, just leave those down below. This is basically it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!